GovX Labs Incorporated GovX is a biotechnology company specializing in developing human vaccines. The company has gained attention, particularly in the immuno-oncology and infectious diseases sectors, making its stock a point of interest for investors. Starting with the fundamentals, GovX operates in a high-risk, high-reward industry, focusing on the development and commercialization of vaccines. The company's pipeline includes vaccines for HIV, Zika, and cancer immunotherapy, which are in various stages of clinical trials. The success of these trials is critical, as positive outcomes could significantly boost the company's valuation. However, the company's financials reveal some risks. GovX has a history of operating losses, and its revenue generation is minimal, primarily relying on grants and partnerships. The company's cash burn rate is also a concern, making future capital raises or partnerships likely. From a technical analysis perspective, GovX has shown considerable volatility, typical of small-cap biotech stocks. The stock has recently been trading in a range, with key support levels around 60 cents and resistance near $1. The 50-day moving average is converging towards the 200-day moving average, indicating a potential golden cross, which could be a bullish signal if the stock price breaks above the $1 resistance. However, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is hovering around 50, suggesting the stock is neither overbought nor oversold. Volume trends are also important, with recent spikes indicating investor interest, possibly tied to news or developments within the company. Looking at future targets, GovX's price is likely to be influenced by news from its clinical trials and any potential partnerships or funding announcements. If the stock breaks past the $1 resistance, the next target could be around $1.50, where it encountered resistance in the past. On the downside, a break below 60 cents could see the stock testing lower levels, around 40 cents. Investors should be cautious and consider the high-risk nature of this stock, as it is heavily influenced by speculative sentiment and the outcomes of its clinical trials. In summary, GovX Labs presents a speculative opportunity for investors into rare diseases, offers potential, but the financial risks and volatility should not be overlooked. Technically, the stock is at a pivotal point, and future price movements will largely depend on upcoming news and market sentiment.